Well, howdy, our people is. Look who's on this thing. Day 4. She actually asked for it to be turned on. She got on it, sat on it, looked at me like, please turn this thing on. Oh, this is so cool. Yes, and since she's in a cycle, we can't go for walks, normal walks. So this is awesome. And see, it has, let's see, already about a minute. But let me see, that's the speed I've got it at. 1.5. So it's not too fast. It's just like, this is interesting. Still gives her quite a mental workout more than anything else. Oh, this is just too cool. Yeah, you're doing great. And of course, if there's any trouble, I can just simply take this right off, or I can push the stop button real fast. And I'm right here, so I can hit that with my foot if I need to. So I have like 3 options to stop the thing quickly if anything goes wrong. But so far things aren't going too bad, and I can control speed here. And then let's see, the start stop is over here. Cool. That's another option. This is so awesome. Just like, I'm just curious. Yeah. And this is what a working breed is like. Once they get an idea of what you want and stuff, they want to work. They want to have something to do. They want to have, you know, the ability to keep themselves occupied, you know. So shout out again to the friend that sent this. Thank you so much for sending this tool for us, because it came just at the right time and everything. We are so grateful. We are very grateful. This helps us so much. The greatest birthday gift I've gotten in a long, long time. And I got to thinking, if I, you know, when she and Zeke do pair up, like, let's say, if they pair up around, Google thinks they'll be ready to do that around the 11th to possibly the 17th. I'm thinking if they do that on the 14th or the 12th or maybe the 15th, that means that the pups would be born in this, December, around December 17th. Now, usually the month of December is extremely bad month for me because of my complex post-traumatic stress disorder, because of all the traumas I've had to suffer for 28 years. But maybe this is God's way of saying, you know what? Game changer. I'm going to change that for you this year. I'm going to make things better. I hope so. Because I'm tired of the nightmares. I'm tired of... I'm just tired of it. So, maybe this is his way of starting to create healing for me. And the name Isaac means laughter. And then Hananiah means mercy, gift of God, and grace. And the puppy that I plan on keeping, his name will be Isaac Hananiah. So, I believe this is God's way of saying He's going to fix this. He's going to make things better. He's beginning the process of healing my life and healing my mind, and that makes me feel some hope. It makes me feel like I'm not abandoned, that He hasn't rejected me, even though the churches that denied her did cause that feeling a lot. They didn't know, they didn't understand, and they don't seem to want to care to understand that but I have forgiven them. Let's see. About a minute and 22 seconds. I like how it tells the time and distance. Ah, there we go. It's on. Okay. Oh, neat. Alrighty. I'm not sure. Oh, that's calories. They think the calories would be at around. Weird. Okay. Huh. Interesting. Now a dog's calories burn. I'm not sure how that works. But this is pretty cool. Keeping her busy. Yeah, keeping her active. Even though she's in a cycle and so on, we now have this. That's amazing. She's like, I'm just puzzled. Yeah. Well, later, y'all.